Welcome to the Eaton Family Thunderdrome. It's Supercars Meet 3 Season 7. Race 1 Championship re-race from Meet 2. 65 career wins between these 5. It's a good experienced field. We got 3 of the top 5. In lane 1, we have the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento running first. 2 wins this season, looking for 3 today. In lane 2, we have the second placed Aston Vantage, 27 career wins. A win and a second so far this season. Lane 3, we have a Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo, 15 career wins, won his first win last meet. Lane 4, we have a Lamborghini Gallardo, 5 career wins, running 5th, 1 win and a second. And lane 5, we have the 2017 Acura NSX, a second and a first. Won his first race last meet. It was a very good race. Let's see if they can turn it on again. Who's going to be the first one in? It's a nice tight race. Gallardo and Vantage are coming up head to head. Sessy's coming up fast on the outside. It's going to be a photo finish. It's the Gallardo. The Gallardo beats the Vantage. Race 2 sees a considerable drop in experience. 25 career wins between these 5. We do have a return and 2 rookies, which would explain that. In lane 1, we have the defending champion. Bit out of sorts thus far. 1 win. Only to his credit this season, for his 16 in total. Lamborghini Veneno, Toby's Veneno. Lane 2, we have the rookie, the Lamborghini Sian. It's a beautiful looking car. 2 races, 2 lasts. Not good for the former Exotics champion. Lane 3, we have the Dodge Charger Drift, the American Muscle. 9 career wins. We'd love to make it 10 today. He's scored 1 win this season. He would have to be equal favorite with the Veneno. In lane 4, we have the McLaren Speedtail. His return to Supercars. Best is a 3rd position. And lane 5, we have a rookie, the Dodge Viper convertible. Convertibles champion, former, and Exotics champion, former. He's got 2 second places. He just needs to go up 1. Let's see who's the second car in to join the Gallardo. Veneno has a slight lead over the Charger. Sian and Viper are coming up hard, but the Veneno's holding them off. It's the Veneno, the defending champion, wins the race. He's into the championship final. Race 3 in experience goes up drastically. 66 career wins between these 5 cars. And that's what you get when you have a veteran, 3 veterans, and 2 of those who have been grand champions. Although most of these cars are a little bit out of form. They're warming into the season, and now's the time for them to press that go button. In lane 1, we have the rookie, the Aston Martin V12 Speedster. A couple of 4th places. He's really slow to start. Lane 2, Lamborghini Veneno, 22 career wins. 2nd last meet, so at least he's going up. Lane 3, we have the Lotus Esprit, 4 career wins. We'd love to go 5 today. Best is 3rd in the last meet. Lane 4, former grand champion, Aston Martin 177, 12 career wins, best third. And lane 5, former two-time grand champion, Ford Mustang Shelby, 28 career wins, also a third is his best. So at least we know that with all these cars, someone is going to get out of the doldrums. Someone is going to improve. Let's see who joins the Gallardo and the Veneno in the championship race.
Shelby 177 head-to-head on the inside. Veneno's coming up fast in lane 2, past the Lotus. We'll have to check the photo. This is very close. The Veneno has stolen victory from the Shelby.
Race 4, experience drops, 19 career wins between these 5. In lane 1, we have the Jaguar F-Type Project 7 convertible, Toby's convertible. 3 career wins. He came second last meet. Would love to turn that second into a first this time round. In lane 2, we have the Lotus Elise. 1 race win for his career and came second is his best this season. Lane 3, crossing over from Street Race Outlaws. We have the Dodge Viper SRT, 4 career wins there. Best he's done here in supercars is a third. Lane 4, the Koenigsegg Gamera, the Swedish giant. 2 career wins, 2 thirds. Would love to do better this year. He's got the horses to do it under the bonnet. He can do this. And in lane 5, everyone's sentimental favorite, the Corvette C6R, his second stint in supercars. 9 career wins, looking to make it 10. First 2 races of the season, he's come last. He's out of sorts. He looked good in exotics, but this is a step up. This is definitely a step up. Favorite for the race is the Jaguar in lane 1. Let's see who wins. They can all go up from here.
He was race here all in it. Vantage dropping off in 3 though. Gamera's probably nose ahead in 4. It's the Gamera, the Koenigsegg Gamera wins the race. A good win.
Race 5. Experience up again. 57 career wins between these 5. In lane 1, returning to supercars this season is the Mclaren P1. He has a meet championship under his belt, but not this season. 4 career wins, but not this season. His best was last meet, a 4th. He's under the pump. He'll want to get some wins up so he can stay in supercars. Lane 2, we have the race favorite, Jaguar XE-SV Project 8. 14 career wins, running 3rd at the minute. He won the meet championship in meet 1. Came last in the championship re-race. See if he can come good 3rd time round. Lane 3, we have the veteran Lamborghini Veneno J. 31 career wins. A win and a second. He's doing well. He'll push the Jaguar all the way. Lane 4, we have the rookie Jaguar F-Type Project 7 convertible. A convertibles champion. Not doing too well here with the big boys. 2 lasts. And lane 5, we have the 2020 Corvette. 8 career wins. No, he's going downhill. He almost won a championship a couple of seasons ago, the Grand Championship. And last season, he just hung on by the skin of his teeth. This season, he's come second in the last meet. That's his best performance. He'll want to do better. He's up against it, against the Jaguar and the Veneno. But he's got to turn it around. and he may as well turn it around against the best. Let's see who's the final car in the championship race.
Corvette hits the flat person 5. Jaguar on 2, past the Veneno. He's past the Corvette. He's past everyone. It's the Jaguar. He's back, baby. He won the first meet. He wants another meet championship.
Welcome to the championship race. Supercars, Meet 3, Season 7. We've got a good race here. Very experienced. 64 career wins between the 5. In lane 1, we have the Lamborghini Gallardo. 2 championship victories. Has only had 1 championship race this season, and he came 4th. Lane 2, we have the defending grand champion. We have Toby's Lamborghini Veneno. 9 championships. He would love to make it 10 today. He's had 1 championship race this season, and he came 2nd. He is the favorite. In lane 3, we have the Lamborghini Veneno. 23 championships, and this is his first championship race this season. Ditto for lane 4 as his first, the Koenigsegg Gamera. And lane 5, we have the meet champion from meet 1, the Jaguar XESV Project 8. This is going to be a good race. Tobias has just joined us. Hello, Tobias.
Hello.
You're here for the championship race. Who's going to win?
I still see more cars there.
Which car are you going for?
I'm going for lane 3.
Lane 3. Let's see who's going to win meet 3. Can the Veneno win his first of the season, defending that grand championship? Or can the meet 1 winner, the Jaguar, win his second and take the lead, hopefully off the Sesto?
Jaguar Gamera head-to-head. Veneno's past the Gallardo. He's past the Koenigsegg. It's the Veneno, the defending champion. He's back. He wins his first for the year.